This is 320 Pearl Street in Bangor. This is a brand new house that was just built. Everything is brand new. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house. Very nicely done. Very nice finishes. The floors are vinyl composite click plank flooring. Has plenty of windows, so it does get lots of light. This is a living room, double-sized living room. You could also put a dining set here next to the kitchen. Kitchen's over here on this side. Does have a ceiling fan light over the living room area. Also here on this side. And then it does have this beautiful kitchen. Has butcher block countertops, which is just beautiful. The cupboards are extremely nice, high-end, and they're not your standard white or the brown wood color. They're a very nice gray color, which blends in very nicely with everything else. And it does have this gorgeous sink, very deep, and then this really nice high-end faucet with a sprayer on it. Works very well with the gray cupboards. Beautiful stainless appliances, built-in microwave, 5-burner glass top stove, and then this really great refrigerator. Has a bottom freezer, but it has double doors for each. Plenty of room in there for anything that you need to store in there. And then it does have a closet right here. It's a lighted closet. Coat closet, broom closet. It's a pretty good size, so you can store a fair amount of things in here. Let's see, there we go. And then this door goes down to the basement. It does have a full basement. Plenty of room for storage down here. Does have washer and dryer hookups in the bathroom, so they are not down here, but you do have heating system. Does have a sump pump, water meter over there, and so forth. This does have 2 heat pumps, so it does not have oil heat. Also has electric heaters in the rooms if you need supplemental heat. Also has a bulkhead, so it does have outside entry from the backyard, which is right there, which is pretty convenient for getting things in from the outside. So it's a pretty good size. Again, good for storage. If you wanted to have a workroom or something down here, that would work as well. Always nice to have a basement. And then on the second floor, you have 3 bedrooms. We do have a bathroom down here. So down at the back of the house, there is a bathroom which has a shower. Also, washer dryer hookups are right here in this bathroom. So those are right here, and then over here you do have an oversized shower. Actually, it has some shelves in there. And then it has some space over here with some shelves for some extra towels and so forth. You have a towel holder. Nice vanity. Extra lighting over the mirror. And then this door here goes out to the backyard. There's a little step out here. The yard's not finished yet. The house has just been finished, so they'll have to put some grass down and so forth back there, so it doesn't look wonderful at the moment, but that's a work in progress. They'll also be paving the driveway and so forth. And then around through the living room, the stairs go up. Oh, here's one heat pump. There's one downstairs and one upstairs. So this heat pump will heat the downstairs pretty much. It also gives you good air conditioning, so that's one benefit. It's very efficient for heating, basically down to around 0 degrees in the wintertime. And then it's great for air conditioning. It's more efficient than your standard air conditioners. And then over here is the remote that uses the air pump. Also, again, there's electric heat if you want to supplement that at any point. It does run off electric, and that's the control for that. There's also electric heat upstairs as well as a heat pump upstairs. So these wood floors are pine. Very, very nice looking. And then again, you have the wood plank flooring here. So this is one of the bedrooms, really, really decent size. It would fit a king size bed in here. It does have, I think this is probably the smallest bedroom. It does have a kind of a standard size closet. Again, it's lighted. Well, actually, this one's a walk-in closet. Does have a light, so it has some shelves. You could get probably a bureau or dresser in here too if you wanted to, or shoe racks and things like that. And then this is a second bedroom. Again, bedrooms are pretty good size. Each bedroom has its own electric heat if you wanted to use it. This is the third bedroom. This also has a closet, which is a lighted closet. All of the bedrooms are really good size. And this is the bathroom upstairs. It is a full bath, so it does have a bathtub. And it has a great double sink, so great for 2 people getting ready. Nice vanity here. And it also has a nice linen closet right here for extras. And then another nice thing is after you come up the stairs, at the top of the stairs, there's a kind of a bonus room. It's not closed off or anything, but it has a nice little room that could be an office, could be storage, sitting room. You can sit here and read. There's a window. So it's basically kind of a bonus room, which is really neat. It's not tiny, so it's a great little space, whatever you want to use it for. And then the heat pump is for upstairs is right here, so it kind of would heat most of the upstairs. Again, if you wanted to heat the bedrooms if the doors were closed. There's electric heat in each room, and there's also electric heat right here if you wanted to use it. So that basically concludes the video tour of 320 Pearl Street in Bangor. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house. Tenant pays for all of the utilities here, also responsible for snow plowing and lawn care. If you have any questions, you can visit us at rentbangor.com, or you can call 207-974-6606.